Hello everyone. Today we will talk about the difference between American and British pronunciation. For example,
in American English, we say cat. In British English, we say cat. In American English, we say dough. In British English, we say go. In American English, we say 3. In British English, we say 3. In American English, we say book. In British English, we say book. In American English, we say son. In British English, we say son. In American English, we say car. In British English, we say car. In American English, we say fish. In British English, we say fish. In American English, we say fun. In British English, we say fun. In American English, we say cheer. In British English, we say chair. In American English, we say bird. In British English, we say bird. In American English, we say water. In British English, we say water.